Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the Bosch oven error code E0532, you're in the right place. This pesky code can stop your cooking in its tracks, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's dive in and get your oven fixed quickly. First, what does error code E0532 actually mean? In Bosch ovens, this code usually signals a problem with the temperature sensor. This sensor is essential for monitoring and regulating the oven's heat. If it's not working right, your oven might not heat evenly, overheat, or even shut down entirely. Now, let's talk about the common causes. The main culprit is often a faulty temperature sensor, which could be worn out or damaged over time. Other factors include loose wiring connections, electrical issues from power surges, or even a buildup of grease and dirt around the sensor that interferes with its function. In some cases, it might stem from a recent power outage or improper installation. Alright, time for the solutions. Start with the easiest fix. Reset your oven. Unplug it from the wall for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. This simple reboot often clears temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, inspect the wiring. Open the oven's control panel carefully. Always unplug first for safety, and check if any wires are loose or disconnected. Secure them if needed. If you're still seeing the error, try cleaning the sensor. Let the oven cool completely, then use a soft cloth and mild cleaner to wipe away any debris. Avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the components. For more persistent issues, you might need to replace the temperature sensor. Refer to your Bosch manual for the exact model part, or consult a professional technician to avoid voiding your warranty. Remember, if you're not comfortable with these steps or if the problem persists, it's best to call in an expert. They can diagnose deeper issues and ensure everything is safe. There you have it, your guide to fixing error code E0532. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.